So it's the day after my birthday. I wasn't able to vlog a lot, and right now I'm on my way to work. I'm on a skateboard. Just woke up in this freaky. My eyes are blurry. This freaky foggy weather today. Melbourne, what's wrong? It's still spring. Whatever. Anyway, as you can see in my back, everything's like foggy now. My eyes getting blurry. But anyway, I need to go to work now. Yep, I need to. The road's really freaky right now. So foggy shit. It's hard to vlog when you're embarrassed and a lot of people looking at you, but if you have to vlog, you have to vlog. So I'm carrying out this one that's in front of me, which is so massive, and I'm heading towards dawn because I promised myself, starting from my birthday, I'm going to try to vlog every day. And it's a little hard work, but let's do this. I hope I can edit this tonight because I have 2 days off now. I need to upload one vlog a day or every 2 days. So here it goes. So currently it's my lunch break and I'm heading towards the atrium. That part there is Don's office, and they said they're going to be across the street, so I'm going to try to look for them now. Yep, I'm heading there. So you guys are there. There they are. So I'm waiting for Don and the rest of the guys here. I'm hiding on a phone and I'm trying to walk here while everybody's walking. I'm looking for my mates. I wonder where they are. So I'm just gonna... Oh, my mates.
Popping out somewhere.
Oh guys, you're here. What's up? What the fuck, man?
What a coincidence. What a coincidence.
That's a big GoPro. See my background, like, you know, I don't know.
See ya, guys. See ya. See ya, guys. Lunch break. I was kind of on a diet, and I'm going back to the office now. I'm running late. My camera's shaking. I should learn to hold this properly. Anyway, yep. So my goal is, starting from my birthday, I'm gonna try to upload as much videos as I can. Maybe around 1 to 2 videos in a week, or maybe 3 videos in a week, nonsense vlogs. But yeah, I'm panting. Oh, you see the street art at the back? That is an awesome street art. Anyway, I need to go back to work now. I need to run. Run! Hey guys, hi there. You know where I am? Well, actually this place looks like a forest. Like you can see all the trees and everything else. But actually, I'm in the middle of the CBD or Central Business District. Just check it out. Look at that. So, all you can see are the trees everywhere. But when you go out, okay, there's the city. And this is like a mini forest here. This place here is so dope. Like I can shoot a pre-wedding or a post-wedding here. And it's gonna look cool. Check out the place. The good thing is, this is just around the city. The only problem you have is just the traffic. If there's heavy traffic, you won't be able to get through this place. And I'm gonna go out here and show you where we are. Fucking hell, this camera is heavy. Okay, I'm gonna put my skateboard down. So yeah, that's the mini forest I was. And when you turn around, you can see the CBD around here. But yeah, you can see the trams, the people, the train station's there. Etihad is there. So basically this is in the city. And there's a mini forest there for chill and everything else. Well, okay, as I was talking earlier, I didn't realize I zoomed the camera close to my face, and the problem with not having any flip screen to talk, like this 1DX, which is so freaking heavy, my hands are shaking now. Sorry about that. Yeah, I did know that I wasn't on the wide end of the lens. So here's the city. It's gonna. I don't know if it's working or anything, but anyway, that's the city. This is the mini forest. And there you can see some yachts there, because this is Docklands. This is where the boats dock, of course. And that's the Etihad Stadium, wherein concerts, footy, everything is held there. Train station just around there. And yeah, that's what. Anyway, I need to put this down because this camera is so heavy. I need to put this down. Yeah, there's a jogger. Got my attention. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I'll be heading home in a few. Again, I'm trying to do this daily vlog thing. Well, I've been trying it forever, but the thing is, yeah, I've decided to try to do more videos. So I've decided to do more this year. Like New Year started yesterday, because yesterday was my birthday. Try to do more and try to do some videos more. Because the thing is, I work 7 days a week. Like I have a day job, and I usually end late, so I don't have time to vlog, and I can't film the office. It's a big no-no. Like, who films in the office? It's privacy and everything. Anyway, yeah, on weekends I also do shoot weddings. Like tomorrow and Sunday I'll be shooting 2 weddings for Aldine, and yeah, it'll be hard for me to vlog, but I'll try my best to put out something and tell you more about Melbourne, or where I'm at, or what I do. So yeah, so I'm always saying so. I'm not used to like vlogging, and I don't really prepare anything, so sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, the good thing about Melbourne is you have places like these. Like when you're stressed out, you're tired, you go to the city. Not really in the city. You go to a park or something like this, and then you just lay down, sit down on the grass and just enjoy. Just stay away from the bird poop, because birds are everywhere. So I don't have time to go to this reserves and everything else. Just that today I decided to do vlogging, and now I'm here. And yeah, my stomach's too big. Anyway, yeah, you just take your time, just sit on this cold grass. Just look at the sky, look at the sunset and everything else. Everything's good. Anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy the view for now. So, yeah. So yeah, cruising around the city now. This camera is so heavy. Freaking heavy. Freaking heavy. Oh yeah, just cruising around bike lane, and I can see some bikes here that's so fast, like I'm scared of getting run over. Anyway, some humps in the way. Oh, fuck. Yep, humps in the way. Oh, check out the bridge there. I might stop over there because I like sunset's good. Oh fucking hell. So check it out, good sunset. You can see the little duck over there. Yeah, one of the coolest things here in Melbourne is that you can see a good sunset from there. Chill in the city, go around. This is Docklands, by the way. This is where the boats dock, because yeah, it's Docklands. Anyway, I need to get going home, but I need to do some B-rolls. B-rolls coming up. Getting dark here now. Yeah, I just saw some people up here. So I'm heading home now, and I'm heading to the train station because it's getting dark. If I did this last summer, then it would have been cool because sunset's like around 9, 10 p.m. 9, maybe 9 p.m. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going now. Can't even point the camera correct to me because it's just too heavy. Oh, the stairs are there. I missed it. I'm just gonna go the other way. Oh yeah, I missed the stairs. Well, check out that view, mate. Check out that view. Yeah. And with Etihad Stadium right now. So check out that view. Yeah, so it's getting kind of dark now, and I'm just passing by Etihad Stadium, and I'm heading towards the train station now. Love the apartment just stays here. Love the apartments here. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the Etihad Stadium behind me. So I'm just vlogging all the way. Nando's there. My hair looks fucking... I don't know what to call it. Anyway, just cruising my way up here. That's how it goes.
Subscribing to our platform.